Hello, my name is Dr. Ajit Shankar Ranade. I am working as Dean at Mumbai Veterinary College, which is affiliated to the Maharashtra Animal and Fisheries Sciences University, which has headquarters at Nagpur. And I am working in Mumbai Veterinary College as the Dean and Professor of Poultry Science. So my subject is Poultry Science. So I'm here to talk to you about poultry science, about the chickens and the eggs which are available from poultry farming. See friends, human body needs a lot of nutrients, and one of the most important nutrient that human body needs is the proteins. People always say that the Indian diets are deficient in protein. They are rich in carbs, which is a fact. We consume very less quantity of protein than what we should consume. Human body needs about 1.5 to 1.8 grams of protein per kilo of our body weight, but normally we don't consume that much of protein, and therefore our diets are protein deficient. And as you know, proteins are the building blocks of the body. Just the way the bricks are the building blocks of the building, the proteins are the building blocks of the body. They construct the body, they build the body, they maintain the body, they do the repair work, and above all, protein serves a very important function of providing immunity to the body. Immunity is the capacity or the power of fighting against the diseases. And so we must have a good immunity, and for that we must consume a very good quality protein. Chickens and the eggs which are available from poultry farms, they are very rich sources of proteins. Poultry is protein rich. The eggs which we consume, they have about 12% of protein, and the poultry meat, chicken meat which we consume, has about 21% of protein in that. And out of that 12% of protein in the egg, 97% is bioavailable. That means 97% of the protein is readily available to our human body. It's called as a good quality protein. And so chicken meat and eggs, which are very, very rich in protein, should be consumed by people in order to develop a very good immunity in the system. Second thing is about the safety. See friends, at poultry farms, we take utmost care to produce chickens and the eggs in the most scientific manner so that the chickens and the eggs which we produce are safe. Once you get those products at home, you have to follow the same routine safety procedures. There's no rocket science in that. Routine cleaning, routine sanitation, and routine disinfection, that is what you have to follow. You have to clean the chicken properly, thoroughly, clean the eggs, and when you cook these products, you have to cook them thoroughly. We in India have a tradition of boiling and cooking. So the temperature normally goes up to 100 degrees Celsius or above, which is a temperature at which no bacteria or no viruses can survive. And so one has to cook the chicken very thoroughly by boiling it at 100 degrees Celsius and make it more safe for consumption, more available for the human body. Chicken is safe. Chicken is full of proteins, and proteins are required for human body for repairs, maintenance, building, as well as for the immunity. And especially in this present era of such pandemics where the chances for the coronavirus or other infections are there, your immunity should be strong. You should improve your immunity so that you are protected from any attack of the bacteria or the viruses. So my advice to you all is eat good quality protein, eat chicken. Poultry is protein rich, chicken safe hai. You can eat chicken even in these days. That would help you in building the immunity. Thank you very much.